Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner for the renew. Thank you guys for tuning in. What you guys just saw right now is actually the new S21 Samsung Ultra. The camera is truly amazing. I mean, let's look at myself right here. It's like, look at myself even better than the mirror. God damn. So much. Look at that quality of camera. I don't even think I'm using my Foley on the camera, but look at that. Beautiful. Anyways, guys, hope everybody's having a wonderful week. Today's Tuesday, fam, and I'll be uploading this video, as you guys saw in the title, about the new Widebody for the Camry. This is something that really gets me excited because it's something that the shop that I was talking to back in COVID time, you know, we were working on it, trying to figure something out about. It's pretty much similar, the design. It's crazy that somebody got it done up in LA. The guy's Camry is actually somebody that I had on Instagram a while back. Crazy how he actually moved fast in this industry, you know, and modifying the Camry, get on it back, get on the rims and everything. So Camry looks clean. You guys will be seeing pictures about it, see what you guys think about it, you know, your opinions. But this is definitely, I think, the best looking one. It reminds me about the IS Lexus Widebody. Kind of has the same features a little bit. It looks really great. But let's get down to business and let me show you guys a little bit about this. Let me show you guys about this body kit. See what you guys think about.
Heart on fire, set my heart
So you know what you guys see right here is the front, which is truly aggressive. It goes around the headlights perfectly. It attaches pretty much to the front bumper and obviously the fenders, but it just really fits good. You know, this is really, like, you know, a good job, honestly. You know, it follows the line of the body style as well as goes around the headlights, like a true body kit, pretty much like the I was mentioning earlier, like the IS Lexus. So it looks really clean. I mean, even the rear one. Now my question is, I wonder if it makes any, you know, air noise, you know, when you're driving around, because if it's properly made as an aerodynamic, how this car was made for, I don't think you should be having this type of issue. But if it's good, I mean, even the owner, you know, with the rims, perfect fitment, you can see there, it's tucked in. I mean, it just amazes me, you know. Even you can see a little bit of the rear, but let's see a little bit from the side, see how it looks. Now here we see the rear fender, you know, the front fender, but in the rear part also good too. I mean, around the wheel, pretty much attaches to the body line and then down. It's just amazing. It reminds me a little bit of the SEMA Widebody, but this is definitely more aggressive. Pretty much like a Liberty Walk style, kind of like a Rocket Bunny. I think it's mostly to a Rocket Bunny style, which is really amazing. You know, that lip kit and that side skirt on fitment too. Now here we see a little bit of the side skirt, pretty much kind of, I guess you can say it's made for this type of the wide body kit. The rear is also a good fitment as well. The gap that you guys see on the rear there, pretty much will be for the rear diffuser. You know, hopefully it's on the works, or maybe just leave it like that. What I like about this one though is that it goes around the door handle and perfect on the gas pumps. I mean, this is like an excellent job. Well done, definitely. Goes around the tail lights. I mean, maybe it has a little Playboy bunny, which for sure it's like a Rocket Bunny style, but it's definitely clean. Goes with the body lines, as you guys see there. The butt lines that we have on the side door, you know, I mean, it's really good, really clean work. I mean, they put a lot of time into this just to go around the door handles, the gas, the tail lights, perfect fitment. You know, just a nice diffuser to go with that wide body, and it'll be clean. Now here we have the rear end, and same thing, follows the body line. I mean, even the lines there on the diffuser, I mean, it kind of makes me want to think that they made it aerodynamics, you know. So when you guys are cruising around and going on the freeway or high speeds, you know, then I mean, there's no like noise. So kind of makes me want to think that way. Kind of looks like it too as well. Really clean the rear, perfect fitment. Like I'm saying, all you need is a diffuser to pretty much cover that gap, and I mean it'll be clean. I mean it already looks clean, honestly. Now to get this type of fenders, I mean this is crazy. I mean once you go wide, that's it. You can't go back. No more drive-throughs. You know what I'm saying? But just that rear end looks really clean. It goes around the rear bumper. Everything attaches really good. You can see it's a perfect fit, man. Honestly, even sitting on the wheels, I believe he has bags. Now here we have a rolling shot. Look how clean that looks. It goes perfect with the body line, the front bumper, the rear one. It goes with the side doors lines, the body line that we have on the side. Everything attaches perfect. That lip kit, I don't know if they made it for this type of wide body kit, but definitely goes good. Maybe a little bit taller so we can kind of cover that gap between the fender and the lip kit. But other than that, looks really clean. The diffuser reminds me a little bit of the Joker design, but I mean, it looks really clean, guys. I mean, this is like the prototype they were working on. Amazing. Honestly, there's nothing else to say. I mean, this one even got the wide tires on. But I mean, they made an excellent design. That's all I gotta say. It goes perfect with the body lines. Looks like a perfect fit, man. Nothing else, to say about this. It's just perfect. The rear and everything. But now, what's the price range on this? Now, how much does this white body key goes for? The pre-sale's live now. I'll show you guys the guy Instagram that's doing this pre-sale. I searched it up, I looked him up, I talked to him too as well, and the pre-sale's $4,000. What really upsets me is that a lot of people already comment on it, made a Facebook post about it, Instagram post that it's too expensive, but if it was a Liberty Walk or a Rocket Bunny, definitely. The thing is, guys, is like if you guys go like to order these things from other places, it's gonna be like 5 grand and above, you know. And coming, this is coming from a contact that did the first white body here. I'm not gonna say which car because you guys will probably know who it is, but he actually had not the Rocket One, I think it was the Pandem, I think it was Pandem. They actually, well, the Rocket One, yeah, they came and like scanned his car, like a whole different type of next level technology, scanned the whole car and then made the proper white body for the car and spent like 10 grand. So nobody's gonna do this for the car, not like this style. You guys saw the Joker design was pretty. It looks clean, definitely a clean design, but this one is just extreme. So it's like a whole different level wide body for this type of car. So doing this would it cost you guys at least 5 grand, and plus the labor work and everything, it would have been pricey. Now, saying that, a lot of people have commented and saying like, "Oh, it's expensive." If it was a proper brand, yeah, I'll definitely buy it. Thing is, guys, you're all gonna buy it. If nobody buys it, then probably the price might go down. Like a lot of things that people haven't bought or didn't sell. I think a lot of people didn't buy it, then the price goes down. That's just pretty much what it is. The seller sees nobody's buying at that price, let's bring it down a little bit. Thing is, all of you crazy car enthusiastic, and myself included, but I'm probably way on that. Because once you go white body on this car, that's it. There's no going back. It'll take a lot of work to bring it back to stock. So it's like a big decision for a lot of people, especially if you're trying to trade in the car, or maybe just if you're gonna keep the car, definitely. But if you're gonna trade it in or something, then I don't think it'll be worth it. People won't ever pay you the price for it. Um, but yeah, I mean, all of you guys keep saying all this stuff, you are gonna go for it. So I mean, if nobody goes for it, they might bring down the price. It might, but you gotta keep in mind that the time they spent on this and the labor work and everything. I mean, it wasn't a 1 week thing. It wasn't, maybe it took a couple months, maybe even more. It's a properly good design. So, anywho's, I mean, it looks clean. I'll put that guy's Instagram next up on this next up after this video, so you guys can check him out. Message him if you guys planning on buying this. It is a clean white body. It looks very perfect. I wish maybe I'll see if I can meet up with him in person so he can see it, firsthand and check it out. But he's up. I believe he's up in North LA. So I mean, somebody here in the States made it, and got ahead. So I mean, that's sick, and that's something that's like, whoever gets it, should be really proud. Something that's amazing. But like I'm saying, it's a hard decision because once you go wide, you can't go back. So Anywho, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, share this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We got a couple modifications going on the car too, and probably will be the last ones. There's not much going on after the con front bumper, you know, unless like the tune comes out, which Torque Motorsports is still working on it. They got a lot of couple people working on it, but you know, we'll see, guys. Anywho, fans, we're saying all this. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember, fam, it's not just about the car. Y'all stay sexy out there. Until next time, Jenner out.